Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X3 M50 in Tanzanite Blue Metallic with the Espresso interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X3 M50 in Tanzanite Blue Metallic. I just hit unlock, got the key here, and let's get some pathway lighting on. You press and hold panic for 1 second. So there's the low beam system on, kidney grill is lit up. So let's do a little lap all the way around. This car is sold. It's being picked up today. But before it gets picked up, I figured we need to share it with the entire world on YouTube. Yeah, Tanzanite Blue still looks great. So let's take a look at all the details. So this is Tanzanite Blue Metallic, one of my favorite BMW colors. It's definitely a blue color in certain low lights. Definitely looks black. When the light hits it, you can definitely see it's a very dark blue color. And we've got the monolithic hood design with there's still 4 lines. And we have a rondelle up front and center. We have the new iconic glow kidney grille. So there it is lit up. We've got the horizontal slats with the M badging over here, cameras on this side, and everything is blacked out, looking sweet. I'm glad they don't do the ceramic accents anymore. I think that's kind of outdated. And you can see that we've got actually active grills at the bottom and at the top. So they'll open when it needs to breathe, and they'll close when we need aerodynamics. Now when we come over here, you can see that we have BMW LED shadow line headlights, and if we get the full low beam system on, you can see we've got those stacked LEDs and then the low beam light there. So from the front, I really like how that looks. When we come around to the side, you'll see that we have the 20-inch double spoke 1036 M wheels in jet black burnish with the red M Sport brake there. That looks sweet, and overall side profile of the vehicle looks great. Canadian market gets the M badging on the fender and brushed aluminum. We have the black M wing mirrors, glass roof up top with the black roof rails, black window surrounds, new flush integrated door handles. We've also got the antenna up top here, the new style antenna, Hofmeister kink. There's your rear 1036 M wheel. We've got the spoiler up top with these little enclosures on the side. Better arrow. Let's get those tail lights on. So it is a stacked upside down and right side up L shape. X3 badging on this side, M50 badging on this side. And we've got the rear view camera here, quad exhaust tips with the rear diffuser. Back end looks really good. I've got the key here, so let me just kick my foot underneath here. So we'll get this to open the hands-free way. Once this opens up, accessory rubber cargo liner is in here. We have the cargo cover. If you push the 2 sides out like this, it can be released. Push it back into place like that. There's a space underneath here for that to fit right in this section. There's also a space for an optional spare tire. And there's a little kit area on this side for wheel lock key tow hook. And this section here that's spaced out is so that you can store that in here. We have a 12-volt plug, we have a grocery bag hanger, we have a netted area, we've got some illumination. This side, there's another 12-volt plug right over here that can also be used to prop the bottom up when you have it lifted up. Up top, there's a button to close and another one to close and lock, but we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close as well. Just like that, hands-free. If we come around to the passenger side, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door. It is connected to the central locking system. It says we need 93 octane, and BMW recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, 1 click. There's a little spot here to put this, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, 1 click. I'm gonna open the back door here. So you'll see that we have the Espresso interior here. We've got Harman Kardon sound system. We've got the window switch, big deep door pockets. There's the winter mats with some ambient light coming through. Let's have a look at these Espresso brown seats. Release on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. There's a release lever at the top here. You just gotta press it for the center pass through. We also have an armrest in the center with some cup holders. Up top, we've got the glass roof wide open. We have an accessory port on the back of each front seat where you can put a tablet holder or coat hanger, that kind of stuff. Down here, there's some pockets on the back of each front seat. And then here, we've got some vents, storage space, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. And up top, there's a light, a handle with a coat hanger. Let's shut this door and we'll open up the front passenger door next. So, there's a welcome light carpet, M welcome light on the floor. We have touch comfort access on both front door handles. Got some ambient light in here. We have Harman Kardon sound system, window control, big deep pockets in the door, full power seat with lumbar. So there it is. We have a manual under the thigh extension. There's the winter mats once again. Nice soft touch materials on the dash with some of this stitching going across. And we've got some of these crisscross patterns here. And we have the big curved display with operating system 9. And down here we've got some vents, ambient light. That's called the jewel box with the M jewel over there. We have a glass glass iDrive controller, and there's your shift gear selector, volume wheel, center console. Lift that up. There's a 12-volt plug inside of there. So let's shut this door. Oh yeah, there's a button here for a glove box too. Don't forget about that. It's illuminated. So let's shut this door and we'll open the driver door next. All right, so from the driver's side, again, there's an M welcome light carpet, hard to see. Inside of here, window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release. You have unlock, lock, memory seats. This is to open or close this vent, and there's a directional thing down here so you can direct where the air is going. Another look at those beautiful Espresso seats with the lumbar and side bolster. And we've got the new flat bottom steering wheel with the M tricolor stitching, M at 6 o'clock, red marker at 12 o'clock. We've got the nice paddle shifters with the red grips on the back. And we've got the head-up display. Up top, we've got the interior camera. We've also got the garage door openers on the bottom of the rearview mirror. Visors will have the light turning on when you open the mirror. The visor can come out and it can extend. And this car does have a number of cool features like self-parking. And it looks like we could also have potentially some nice cruise control options in here as well. So for instance, if we get into here, driving, so it looks like we have the active cruise control, which is BMW's name for adaptive cruise control. So it mitigates the speed and the distance to the car in front of you. Now down here, we've got the pedals, but here, can't see it, there's your hood release. It says 2 times on it, so it's 1, 2. So when we get to the front here, we won't have to find anything. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin-power turbo, 398 horsepower, 428 foot-pounds of torque, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal is this post here, washer fluid goes over there, and we've got some nice struts here as well, some bracing for rigidity, and BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so just want to send it down from about halfway, just like that. Perfect. Okay, so before we conclude the video, we will do one more lap all the way around the vehicle. And it's a little bit overcast today, so we're getting to see some of the low lights and some of the blue color coming through. Overall, I do really like the design of the car. I know a lot of you still have yet for it to grow on you, but I think it will. So what do you think of this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X3 M50 in Tanzanite Blue Metallic with the Espresso interior. This one's got M Sport Pro on there as well. How do you like the spec? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.